What's up, guys? Today's gonna be a little bit of a short vlog, but before I get into that, let's get some coffee. Okay, what's up? I have my coffee right here and wearing a different sweater because, of course, me being clumsy, I spill coffee all over my sweater. I'm kind of revamping my whole channel right now. So I'm gonna be posting every Monday and Thursday, which means all Mondays videos are going to be vlogs and all of Thursday's videos are going to be more so like reviews or talking about health or just, you know, products, etc. If you want me to talk in details about anything, let me know in the down bar below, but that's what I have right now, just so I could kind of get on this whole good commitment, I want to say, with YouTube in a sense. But I mean, most of you guys do know that I am a videographer on the side, so I am really busy doing a bunch of stuff. But I told myself 2018, I'm not taking no as an answer, so I'm doing it. So I hope you guys are fine with me taking this whole new kind of approach to YouTube. I'm definitely 100% gonna be doing it. So basically with my vlogs, it's gonna be typical vlogs. I don't think I'm gonna be doing weekly vlogs anymore, just because I have been doing weekly vlogs in the past, but it just somehow didn't really work out because you know, there's days where I'm just super busy and I can't really film. I'm just gonna do, I think, like weekend vlogs in a sense, because in a sense I do more on weekends that are fun. And I would rather show you guys that than just me sit in front of a camera and talk. I have a couple things in mind, but you guys will see all of that when I do post the videos. That's it for now. Today I have a whole bunch of stuff that I need to finish editing and, you know, putting it through to clients and all that stuff. So I'm just super busy. Today is a write-off, but I decided to film because I mean, I do want to get something up on Monday regardless. So, and that's also another thing, is even if I don't feel like filming something, I will be posting every Monday and Thursday. I am making it a ritual, so be prepared to see stuff Mondays and Thursdays. And I think I'm just gonna try and get into that routine, and then hopefully once I am more comfortable with posting twice a week, I will probably take that to maybe 3 times posting in a week, or maybe even 4, just to get that consistency going. But as of now, I'm gonna finish my coffee and I'm gonna edit. Hey guys, what's up? It's Sunday. I'm just doing my hair. Me, Izzy, and Amela are just meeting up for a few drinks. I literally just burned myself super hard on my shoulder and it fucking kills with my wand. So it hurts like really badly. So anyways, it hurts so badly. Oh my god. I don't know how I'm gonna wear a bra tonight. It's literally right here. It hurts really badly. It stings. I'm wearing a glove. What kind of wand is this? I bought this wand a couple years ago at Winners. It's a Nutika straightener. Not straightener. It's a Nutika curler. I think this is like, the barrel was a 35. Is that right? I'm not exactly sure, and it doesn't really say the size of this anywhere on here, so I'm not exactly sure. But if I will find it online, I'll link something similar like that down below. The reason why I'm wearing these gloves is because I'm very clumsy when it comes to straightening my hair or any kind of hot tools with my hair. I always burn myself regardless. Straightener, curler, anything, even a blow dryer, I'll burn myself. What's up, guys? Just here waiting for Izzy outside, and we're heading to some shisha bar, I believe. I'm pretty excited. I am freezing. It's cold outside. Like, it literally took me so long to warm up my car, but this is my finished product with my hair. Not finished product. This is whatever. You guys know what I mean, but basically, I don't know. This side doesn't really, it didn't turn out that well for some weird reason, but I really like that curler. Anyways, I'll vlog later, so I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, what's up? I just got home. I forgot to vlog, which I am really horrible with. But anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm gonna decide actually to end vlogs right now. Oh my god. These are my lashes, like the shadow from my eyelashes. That's so funny. Anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. So yeah, I'm gonna upload this vlog tomorrow. It'll be uploaded on YouTube, and I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, short little vlog. I know it's really short. Didn't really do a lot this weekend, was just super busy, but the next couple vlogs will be very entertaining, I hope. But I hope you guys have a great night or day depending on when you're watching this, and I'll see you guys next time.